tired of your car seats looking worn out or uncomfortable? A simple seat cover installation can give your car a fresh new look while protecting your seats at the same time. In this guide, we'll walk through how to install car seat covers step by step. Whether you're looking for style, comfort, or protection, this video will make sure you get it right the first time. Why it's important. Car seat covers don't just improve appearance. They protect against spills, sun damage, and wear from everyday use. Installing them properly ensures they stay in place and last longer. What to consider. Before buying, think about material options like leatherette, neoprene, or fabric. Check for compatibility with airbags, heated seats, and whether they're custom fit or universal. Also, measure your car seats so you don't end up with covers that don't fit well. How to use properly. Start by removing headrests if they're detachable. Slide the seat cover over the backrest, then pull it down firmly. Secure straps under the seat and hook them into place. For the bottom cushion, stretch it evenly, tuck it into seat creases, and attach the hooks. Finally, cover the headrests and reinstall them. Adjust everything so the covers fit snugly without wrinkles. Maintenance and care. Most fabric covers can be vacuumed regularly and spot cleaned with mild soap. Leatherette or neoprene can be wiped with a damp cloth. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage the material. Wash removable covers according to manufacturer instructions. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't ignore airbag compatibility tags. Avoid forcing covers that don't fit, as it can cause tears. Skipping straps or not tightening hooks will make covers shift during use, reducing comfort and protection. Cost comparison. Universal seat covers can range from $30 to $80, while custom fit options often cost $150 to $300. The higher price usually means a better fit and longer lifespan. Real-life experiment. We tested two cars, one with universal covers and another with custom fit. The custom covers looked seamless and stayed in place, while the universal covers needed readjusting after a few drives. Both offered protection, but the difference in appearance and fit was clear. Quick tips. Install covers on a warm day to make the fabric easier to stretch. Use a flat tool or even a ruler to tuck fabric neatly into creases. Always double-check that straps and hooks are secure before finishing. Installing car seat covers is one of the easiest ways to refresh and protect your car's interior. With the right fit, proper installation, and simple care, you'll enjoy comfort and durability for years to come.